guys, so today I'm going to give you the spare tire location on the Volkswagen Routan. Now this will apply to town and country, I believe also the Caravan, some of the Caravans, 2009. So yeah, let's go ahead and dive into this and show you guys how this works. I'm also going to be giving you guys some safety tips I learned in this process. So we had to put the donut on, and I actually learned something about the tire shelf lives and expiration dates, and even buying new tires, some things to look for, and avoid some of the safety things, because it can actually be detrimental if you have a tire failure while you're driving. Obviously, it can be very dangerous. So some tips and tricks on how to look for good tires and what to look for. But let's go ahead and get into this. Also, please, if you enjoy this type of content, please like, share, and subscribe. It's much appreciated. Now in this compartment here in the trunk, on the left hand side, you unscrew these two and this whole panel drops out. Now under here there'll be two black bags right there. So one will have your spare tire cable release. Those poles just have to be assembled and it'll release your spare tire. And this bag will have your jack, scissor jack, with, now this tool serves two purposes. So this tool not only removes your lug nuts, it can be used to remove your lug nuts, but it also serves to raise the jack up and down. All right, so this is if you're on the side of the road and you need it. That's how you lift the vehicle. From here, it's super simple. You take your three parts, right? Feed these into each other. Make sure they clip in. Then you take your third tool, square side down, and blah. Make sure it's clipped in. Now you got your tool. So actually right here below the center console, underneath the cup holders, you see this little compartment down here. You just pop this out, and then down in there is the tray, or the release valve, so it spins and frees up the cable to release the spare tire. Tool, you just feed it down into there, line it, just set in, and then start spinning. Now you have to go for a while, release it all the way, and you want it to drop all the way out, so just keep going till it'll actually stop, and that'll free up the entire cable, so you're able to pull it out from underneath the vehicle. All right, so once it's completely free, you actually take this back off and rotate it up vertical, push in this little pin, take it off. You actually just stand it upright and feed it in vertically like this, and that makes your little hook tool so you can reach under and grab it. So you see here, down here, get that whole tray out. Now under here, there's these two side levers that actually fold in. You push that through. Now I already had the spare removed, so all I'm gonna do is drop it back in this tray, put it back up. All right, so if you guys can see here, you actually fold these in. Make sure your spare tire is sitting the right way. So it has to flip over and sit belly down so that these line up correctly, okay? Now you fold in these sides, push it through the center. Make sure it's all the way through, and these wings are open on the other side. All right, now we reel it back up, make sure it's tight. So you want to make sure it's full all the way tight, okay? You want to go till it stops. Then just give a look underneath, give it a little push with your hand, make sure it's not loose and it's seated tight against the bottom of the vehicle. Now we'll button all this back up. Put that cap back in. Alright, so that being said, I hope this helped you guys find your spare tire. Now another safety tip we learned through this process, because we actually had, our tire still had good tread on it and it didn't look like it was cracking or wearing out, but actually the tread started to release and separate. You actually had exposed wiring from the tire. So something we learned that I didn't know, and I've spent several years as a mechanic, and I never heard this till we did a little research. So I was always taught that as long as it's not cracking and you know, showing the tire corrosion and the tread's good, then the tire's good. But actually we learned through this process that generally they strongly recommend that if your tire's more than 6 years old, this is its strength basically. So I also found out that on the tire itself would actually tell you the week and year that it was manufactured, and also that even tires that you buy brand new from the store may be out of that 6-year range. So definitely check your tires, even if you're buying them brand new, even if they're 6 years old, brand new, off the shelf, they still are dangerous. So but let me show you right here on the tire. It'll show you exactly when it's manufactured. So if you guys can see right here, see DOT, these sets of numbers were right here, 4817, 4817. So that means this tire was manufactured in the 48th week during the year of 2017. So definitely you guys check your tires. It's a major safety hazard. A lot of people have lost their lives from faulty tires and losing the tread while they're on the road. So just a neat trick I thought I'd share with you guys. Definitely take a look at your tires. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, subscribe. You'll be helping me out a lot, and hopefully I help some of you guys get back on the road. Drive safe. Take care.